Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to log into Ulta app for daily deals. In order to log into your Ulta Beauty mobile app and access daily deals, you could simply install it. First of all, head over to your app store and tap onto the search and type in Ulta Beauty app. After installing the app, simply tap on the open button, and now in order to log in, you could simply tap onto the next, enable all of these permissions as well if you want to, and once again tap the menu at the very top right and go ahead and look for the profile, or you just want to make sure to go ahead and look for the menu once again and go to accounts, and there you just want to make sure to select sign in. Enter in your credentials. You could either go with your email address or maybe Google account or other options as well that's available. And for the verification, you have to enter in the 6-digit code as well. So here I just have to make sure to you'll be able to receive it through an email. So here it is, and select the verify button. As soon as you do this, you might be asked to enter in your phone number as well, so you have to enter in that, and this way you could go ahead and in the very home page see your deals and all that stuff. So here it is, you will be able to find it and browse it as well. You could go ahead and look for it in store, online and all that. So just have to tap onto the pop-up at the very home screen, and this way you are supposed to apply for a daily, or you can see or view the daily deals in Ulta Beauty app. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.